Hello, everybody. Today I will tell you what activities you need to do to get a drop from Starknet. First, let's look at what kind of project this is, what investors it has, and what prospects we have for receiving an airdrop. Starknet is a decentralized ZK storage that runs as Layer 2 on Ethereum, allowing any decentralized application to achieve unlimited scale for its computations without compromising Ethereum's composability and security. This is possible because Starknet relies on a secure and scalable cryptographic proof system, Stark. From January 2018 to March 2023, several rounds of financing took place, during which the company managed to raise an amount of $282 million from top funds: Paradigm, Sequoia, Pantera, Intel Capital, Ethereum Foundation, Vitalik Buterin, and others. Starknet Token. Starknet already has its own token, but it has not yet been launched on the main network. However, we can already look at the tokenomics of the project and its roadmap. According to plans, only 10% will remain at the disposal of the fund. The remaining tokens will be used for community awards, grant programs, donations, and for other purposes. Roadmap. The STRK token will be released in the first quarter of 2024. The STRK token will perform three main functions: participation in network management, payment of commissions for transactions in Starknet, participation in the consensus mechanism, and transaction processing. Guide to getting airdrop. The first thing we need to do is download the Argent X or Bravos wallet. Create login password. Save seed phrase. Next, we need to top up our wallet through the bridge. The most correct, but also the most expensive way, the official Starknet bridge. For example, MetaMask and a Bravos wallet. Write out the required amount and sign the transaction. The second method, Orbiter bridge, we repeat the same steps as on the official bridge. The last method is to top up from the exchange via the LayerSwap bridge. After replenishing your wallet with more than $20, we can register Starknet domain. ID, domain name. They are called differently, but the essence comes down to one thing. Replace the long and terrible numerical wallet number in the blockchain with a convenient name. Bravos Stark domain. Shareware method to get a unique ID. Bravos Stark domain. To receive it, you only need to pay gas. Open the wallet settings, go to the Register Bravos Stark domain tab, enter the desired name, and confirm the transaction. DeFi protocols. We can go to the Defilama website where we can see the entire Starknet ecosystem with which we can interact. For example, MySwap. Go to the project website and connect the wallet. Next, you need to select the tokens that we will exchange. In our case, it is ETH/USDC, but you can use other pairs. We enter the desired amount in ETH, click Swap, and confirm the transaction. Do not transfer all ETH to USDC at once, because then we will put them into the pool in pairs. Go to the Pools tab, select the desired pair, in our case ETH/USDC, and click Add Liquidity. After which your funds are sent to the liquidity pool, from where you can withdraw them at any time. Jediswap. Go to the project website and connect the wallet. We select tokens for swap. In our case, a similar pair as in the first ETH/USDC project. Enter the required amount and click Swap. All actions will be similar to the first two projects. $10K swap. We go to the project website and connect the wallet. We select the tokens we want to exchange. Click Swap and confirm the transaction. For more convenient interaction with projects, there are sites with tasks such as Layer 3, Galax, Interact. Now we need to buy and sell NFT on Element platform. Visit the Element Market website. Connect your wallet. Choose your favorite NFT and click to buy it. Now we need to sell your NFT. Criteria for receiving a drop. Number of transactions, minimum 27. Volume of transactions, the more the better. Number of interactions with contracts, minimum 5. Number of interactions with protocols, minimum 3. Number of days of interaction with the project, minimum 3. Official bridge. Availability of NFTs. Conclusion. Starknet is one of the most anticipated airdrops of 2023-2024. The project token has already been verified. Having completed all the specified tasks within a few months, we have a high probability of receiving this drop from the project. I wish everyone good luck, subscribe to the channel and see you next time.